Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be going through my top 5 products for if you're new to stamping or if you're new to card making and want to try stamping for the very first time. This is the kind of video I wish I could have seen when I started stamping. It can be really overwhelming and confusing to know what you should buy in a really crowded market. So I thought, let's do this video and make it really simple and straightforward. Before I start the video, I'd just like to ask that if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you do hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow, it helps it reach more people, and all I want to do is create positivity and share great ideas. And if you enjoyed today's video, please also remember to leave it a thumbs up. So let's jump into it. Coming in at number 1 is probably the most important thing you need aside from a stamp set, and that is a stamping platform. This will make your life so much easier, and it will also ensure you get the perfect impression every single time. So I like this one by Stamps 2. This is a magnetic platform. There are many stamping platforms on the market. This one is really inexpensive. So it does come with 2 magnets, as you can see. It also comes with a piece of foam to help you get a great impression, and the base is magnetic, so it does make sure when you use your magnets it holds your card in place. Now the other great thing about this platform is if you take out the foam, you'll be able to use thicker stamps like the old rubber stamps if you've taken them off the wooden blocks, and you can still stamp those. Or if you're using the newer polymer or acrylic stamps, you put the foam in and then you're able to stamp those. As I said, this will ensure you get the perfect impression every single time. It means you can re-ink and just keep stamping until you get the perfect stamped image. And by using this, you won't get any fuzzy lines or ghost stamping. So that is at number 1, and it's a stamping platform. Coming in at number 2, and we have the next very important thing you're going to need if you want to try stamping, and that is an ink pad. So I have 2 here to talk to you about. We have the Memento and we have the VersaFine. Now depending how you want to colour your stamps will depend which one of these you're going to need. If you want to use alcohol markers, then the Memento is the ink you need. It won't bleed with your inks, and it means you can pretty much start colouring straight away. If you're not going to use alcohol markers to colour your image, then absolutely the VersaFine is the ink for you. I absolutely love this ink. This gives a really crisp, clear impression every time I use it, and you can also heat emboss with this when you get further down the line because it does stay wet for a little bit longer. But a really good ink pad is absolutely key to a really great stamping experience. Coming in at number 3 is the quality of cardstock you're going to need to stamp onto. You can technically use any kind of card you want, but the better the quality, the better the impression you're going to get. I have 2 here to talk to you about, but there are many on the market. I have the Creative Craft Products brand, and I have the Hunky Dory Ink Me card. So both of these are really great quality, smooth cardstock. With these, I get great impressions every single time. Both of these take up inks well, and I get really great results from using these. Now that's not to say that you can't get good results using other cardstocks, but the better the quality and smoothness of your cardstock, the better your results are going to be. At number 4, and we're going to be talking about ink cleaning. So the recommended way to clean stamps is in warm soapy water and allow them to air dry. However, that's not always a practical way to do things, especially if you're batch making. So what I like to do is use a microfiber cloth. You can see mine is extremely dirty where it gets used so much. It needs to go through the wash. But these are great for cleaning your stamps off, getting the inks off, and getting your stamps ready to restamp very quickly. You can then obviously wash them in the warm soapy water a little bit later and let them air dry overnight, but if you need to clean them off in a hurry, then a microfiber cloth is the way to go. And in at number 5 is a way to build up not only your stash of stamps, but a variety of stamps. And that is by buying Creative Stamping Magazine. Now you can either pop to the shops when this comes out and pick it up, or you can do a subscription. And by doing a subscription, not only do you get a free gift when you sign up, you also get a slight reduction on the price. However, I do understand that not everyone can afford to do a subscription at the current time. So why do I like this magazine so much? There's several reasons why I recommend this to complete beginners and new people to stamping. Well, every single month you get a stamp set with the magazine. This is the current one. It's an A4 size stamp set. There's a good variety of stamps on there, and there's also sentiments included. This month we also got a free embossing folder with the magazine, so that's an extra thing you can add to your arsenal to use with your stamps. Another reason I think this is great for a beginner is throughout the magazine you will find articles, you will find tutorials, you will find step-by-step guides, not only using the stamp set with the magazine, but other stamp sets that are on the market. So it's a great way to build your knowledge of ways to use the stamp sets that you're collecting. At the back of the magazine each month it tells you what is coming in the next issue, so if you're buying this monthly you can see at a glance whether the stamps appeal to you and whether you want to go out and buy the magazine when it comes next time. You can get these in most supermarkets, you can get them in most of the stationers on the high street, and you can also buy them online through Cardstock or More Mags. There's loads of different ways to pick these magazines up, but I really think they're a great way to build your stash of stamps and get a variety of stamps. So those are the top 5 things that I personally think you should grab if you're new to stamping or new to card making and wanting to try stamping for the first time. This video is in no way sponsored by any of the products or items that I've shown today, and all the opinions in this video were absolutely my own. I wasn't asked to do this video by anyone. It's literally just the kind of video I wish I could have seen when I started stamping and had no clue what I was doing. I'm planning on doing a future video talking about inks, maybe heat embossing, various different colour mediums, so let me know in the comments down below if that's something you'd be interested in. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who takes the time to come and watch my videos. I really hope that this video can help someone who's just starting out and that someone has found it useful. If you have enjoyed today's video, please do leave it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and help my channel grow. I will be back soon with more videos, so until next time, thank you once again for watching, take really good care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.